Step into the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: cruise control, power windows, ABS, cargo shade, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated mirrors, tow hooks, leather steering wheel, and power mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.